This video is to show you how to save an image on a Google document and then send it to SMS pleaseprint@gmail.com. All right, let's begin. Okay, so I want to see about getting maybe the picture planet Mars. I'm going to go to images. I need one of these pictures. So I'm going to go ahead. I have maybe I want this one. But I'm going to go to this other tab. I'm going to go over to my Google Drive right here. So these are my Google apps. Looks like a waffle. Then I'm going to go to Google Drive. I have lots of documents right here. I have a lot of folders. So I want to make sure that maybe I'll have a folder that's just for printing. So there's my print folder. I'm going to open that, and then I'm going to just put it here, a document. So here's my Google document. Gave myself a few spaces. I'm going to name it Planet Mars, or I could just say Mars, whatever. But that way I know what all the different document titles are. If I go back to this Mars, and let's say I like this one, that's pretty cool. I'm just going to take it and drag it over to here. See how I just hovered? Didn't do anything, but now I'm over here. There. So now I have my planet Mars. If I want to make it smaller or bigger, I'm not going to pull here because that's just going to make it a weird shape. If I want to make it larger or smaller, I pull from the corner. So I'm going to go back to my back arrow, put that back, and if I want it larger, I would go here. If I want it smaller, same thing. You just choose any corner. Don't use this side or this side, otherwise you're going to make it elongated. Okay, so let's say I want it this big right here. I like that. If I want another one, I can, copy it and then tab and then just put another one. So that way I can get 2 copies. I might want to try to fill up this page as much as possible, especially if I'm going to be getting the color print. If I'm getting the color print and I want more than one image, I'm not going to do one image here and then I'm not going to go down to another page and do another image, because that means I'm paying for 2 pages. I just want to pay for the one and just try to fit as many as I can. Okay, so that looks good for me. Now what I want to do is share this. How I share it is I just click on this share button, and then I'm going to type in the email address that I want this to go to. And in this case, it will be please, oh, excuse me, it's actually SMS. So that's Sequoia Middle School, please print at gmail.com. And then I'm going to say, please print. I have to describe what I want printed. Maybe I want 1 copy, maybe I want 4 copies. But the person who's receiving this email will not know unless you give directions. Please print 4. Now you need to say whether it's black and white, or color. So 4 color copies. And then you can be polite and say thank you. And then you're going to send that email. You're sharing to this person who is not on the G Suite organization that this item belongs to. So are you sure you want to send it? Yes. Okay, now we're done. Now what you do is you go to the circulation desk in the library and you let the person know, the person behind the desk know that you have a copy that was sent to that email address. That person will then look up the email, pull it up, and print it. And at that same time while it's being pulled up and printed, you will pay for your copies. Okay, before we end, you must know that you have to cite all your work. So if you didn't take that picture, actually even if you took that picture, you want to cite it and give yourself that credit. But cite everything that you pull from the internet or any kind of resource materials that you receive. So you want to go back, go to the website where this Mars picture is, find out the information and cite the work. Let people know where you borrowed it from. Okay, thank you. I hope you found this video helpful, and see you soon. Bye.